In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import QuickBooks Desktop files to QuickBooks Online. If you're transitioning your business records from QuickBooks Desktop to QuickBooks Online, this step-by-step guide will help ensure that the process goes smoothly. Let's dive right in. Firstly, open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online homepage. You can do this by going to keybo.intuit.com, where you'll be prompted to log in with your QuickBooks credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you may want to consider setting one up for this process. Once you've logged in, the next step is to locate the settings, which are represented by the gear icon that appears in the upper right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to customizing QuickBooks Online to fit your business's needs. With the drop-down menu open, look for the section labeled Import Data. Click on it. Importing data is a crucial feature that allows you to bring your past transactions and financial information from QuickBooks Desktop into QuickBooks Online seamlessly. In the Import Data section, you will be prompted to choose the types of data you wish to import. For the purposes of today's tutorial, we are focusing on journal entries, but note that you can also import customer lists, vendor information, and more. Now, within the Import Data screen, you should notice a highlight over several options. You need to click on this highlighted area. This interface has been designed to make data syncing straightforward, ensuring that your QuickBooks Online is up to date with your previously recorded information. The next screen you'll see lists various data types you can import. Look for the option labeled Journal Entries and click on it. It's worth mentioning that journal entries capture specific transfers and adjustments that are recorded in your accounting books, so it's critical to make sure they are included to maintain accurate financial records. Once you've selected journal entries, you will see an option to click on Import. Go ahead and do that. This action will initiate the import process, during which you'll be guided through uploading the necessary files. Make sure your files are properly formatted and saved, typically in an Excel format, to avoid any hindrance in the import process. Allow a few moments for the import to complete, and there you have it. Your QuickBooks Desktop files are now a part of your QuickBooks Online account, making you fully operational and ready to stay on top of your business finances in the cloud. That's all there is to it. Importing files from QuickBooks. Desktop to QuickBooks Online doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these steps carefully, you can ensure that your valuable financial data transitions smoothly and accurately to your new online accounting platform. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using QuickBooks Online. Until next time, happy accounting!